How to find XRP wallet address in Binance. In this video, I will guide you through all the steps, just make sure to watch till the end. First of all, open up your Binance account. On the home page, tap on these three lines here in the top left corner. Go to More Services. Here, press on Add Funds. From here, we will choose this second option as an on-chain deposit. Search for XRP and tap on it. This is the most important step where we will choose a network. It's better to choose the BSC BNB Smart Chain, also known as BEP20. From here, you can copy the deposit address. In case you want to change the network, press here and choose accordingly, and send to anyone you want. And that's it, guys. Found helpful? Make sure to leave a like and do subscribe to the channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching.